Hi everyone, in this course I will teach you CSS full tutorial beginner to advanced, but if you want to learn CSS you should know HTML basics that I'm teaching HTML2 in the channel. I recommend you to learn HTML and CSS together because they are related in each step. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. We can put each element in the HTML in the right place and right position with CSS style sheets. There's lots of things we can do with CSS that we learn in this course. So for creating a style, first we need to select an HTML element like p element. In the second step, we should create a declaration. The most important thing in CSS is to learn how to select an element and know all the property and value types. Of course, some of them are tricky and that I will teach you in completely in this course, but in this chapter I will teach you about CSS selectors that is very important. If it was a little confusing, don't worry, I will teach you in real coding example in this video. This command select all the p element in the page. Each element can have one ID and multiple classes. CSS select ID with sharp and classes with dot. Dot is a class name that we gave to an HTML element like change color class. If we select a class after element, it means all elements will select that have those classes like all the p that have center class. If we put a space between two elements, it means all the elements that exist in the first element, like this example, all the p that exists into a div element will be selected, like this example, all the p r exists and the div element will be selected. We call this that type of select with separate with spaces descendant selectors. Of course, there is a lot of select types in the CSS I will teach you in the advanced tutorial in the future, but this is the most usage in the CSS when we programmers use these selectors all the time. This is the most usage in CSS. Let's practice in next page in real code example. It would be better if you install Visual Studio Code for code suggestion. I did teach about advantage of Visual Studio Code in HTML tutorials. If you didn't study HTML yet, I recommend to watch my HTML tutorials first. In the HTML, we can create a style in head section, but if we separate out CSS with HTML, it's get professional and clean. So I put a link in HTML element and I give my CSS a file address that I created with a text file and convert it format. Let's code.